Hello everyone, today I received my card right on the Wind album, so it's sealed. This is the front cover and we have this holographic word card, and this is the back cover of the album. You can see we have the members here and the track list. Yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and unseal this. I really like the touch of it. It's very like smooth, and I like the fonts here. It's really nice. So it's their third mini album. Okay, let's see. Oh, great. We have the photo cards here. And I guess this is the CD. Really nice. Very nice. It's quite nice. Okay, let's take a look. So I have JSF photo card. I think it's kind of like a message card. JSF. He's really handsome. I would fancy a BM photo card though. What's this? It's like a ticket kind of thing, but I got Jiu and BM, my favorite ship in KARD. It's pretty cool. It's like a legit ticket to some show or something. You can see the track list here, the members, the album name, card, QR code. This is the release date of this album. Pretty cute. Okay, I think this is the postcards. I think it's all Somin if I'm not wrong. So this is Somin. Oh, I think it's individual members. Joseph. We have Matthew, BM, and Jiu. Wait. No. This is Jiu, and this is Somin. Yep. Let's take a look at the photo book. I really like how they slot everything inside here, so we don't have to flip the album to take a look to find the photo cards. Jihu. I'm just gonna flip it very quickly. Oh my god, so handsome. No! Okay, just look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. My bias are actually Jiu and BM. I love everyone, but it's just my favorite. It's just really pretty. Not bad. Oh my god. These pictures are actually really nice. Very nice. It's my favorite ship. Biu. Okay. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. I'm dead. So dead. Jesus. No way. How is this possible? Look at that jawline. Oh my god. BM looks good. This is cute. Okay, now we have the lyrics for Moonlight. Lyrics for the title track, Right on the Wind, Knocking on My on my Heaven's Door. This is my favorite track from this album. Dímelo. We have, I think, Spanish. Should be. Credit. And yeah, that's all. That's all for this album. Alright. Hope you guys like it, and yeah, see you soon. Bye.